Welcome to part 2 of our series on motivational theories. In this video, we'll explore advanced concepts that drive workplace motivation and productivity. In this video, we'll explore Deci and Ryan's self-determination theory, McClelland's acquired needs theory, and the equity theory. Let's get started. Now, let's explore McClelland's acquired needs theory. McClelland identified 3 types of motivational needs: achievement motivation, power motivation, and affiliation motivation. Next, let's explore McClelland's acquired needs theory. McClelland observed that achievement-motivated individuals prefer moderate risks, tasks too easy or based on luck don't appeal to them. They thrive on key responsibilities, collaboration with high achievers, and personal success over external rewards. Often self-reflective, they focus on improving performance and prefer not to delegate. Their motivation is shaped by parental influences, culture, and education. Power-motivated individuals aim to influence others' behavior. Personal power seekers give orders to feel important, often causing resentment. In contrast, institutional power seekers use authority to inspire teams toward organizational goals, making them more effective leaders. McClelland argued that good leaders need at least moderate NPOW to guide and influence others effectively. People with a need for affiliation prioritize strong social and workplace relationships, which enhance their motivation and productivity. They conform to group norms, avoid conflict, and seek acceptance as part of a team. Unlike achievement-motivated individuals who often work independently, affiliation-driven people thrive in roles involving teamwork, collaboration, or customer interactions, fostering a sense of belonging. Next, let's explore Deci and Ryan's self-determination theory. They describe motivation as what moves or make people to act. Self-determination theory, SDT, examines the fundamental and positive human tendency to grow. Self-determination theory assumes people seek personal growth. It identifies 3 key motivators: autonomy, relatedness, and competence. Autonomy refers to the need for control over one's actions. When satisfied, it leads to a sense of integrity and authenticity. However, when unmet, it causes frustration, pressure, and a feeling of being pushed in an unwanted direction. Relatedness refers to the need for meaningful connections and caring relationships with others. When this need is met, people feel valued and significant. If unmet, it leads to social alienation, exclusion, and loneliness, which can negatively affect motivation and productivity. Competence refers to the need to feel confident and effective in a task or role. It's achieved by offering opportunities to use and develop skills. When unmet, it leads to feelings of ineffectiveness, vulnerability, and failure. Finally, let's dive into Adams' equity theory. According to Adams's equity theory, employees often compare their efforts and rewards to those of others in the workplace. They should be compensated with a salary and benefits that reflect their contributions to ensure fairness. The degree of equity is influenced by 3 factors: the equity norm, where rewards are seen as fair; social comparison, where inputs and outputs are balanced against others; and cognitive distortions, where workers who feel undercompensated become demotivated, impacting their performance. Inputs in equity theory include expertise, experience, enthusiasm, and effort, which can be physical or intellectual. Outputs, or outcomes, include remuneration, recognition, rank, and responsibilities, and these can be both tangible, like salary, and intangible, like praise and status. Drawbacks of equity theory include its subjectivity, as some people are more sensitive to equity. It also overlooks demographic, psychological, and cultural factors, and the scale of equity can only be so effective. Follow us for more videos, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated.